Why are most fitness goals based on one of the most difficult things to break down and understand? Weight loss. There are so many factors that make up body weight, but traditional scales don't address any of them. So if you're like me, that means that you see a number on a scale that isn't changing at a pace that matches your workout and you lose motivation. Once you lose motivation, it's easier to just give up and settle for being unhealthy. It's a vicious cycle. Trust me, I know. That's exactly where I was before I found FitTrack. FitTrack is an unbelievably smart scale that takes all the guesswork out of decoding your weight. In fact, it uses 17 unique health measurements to tell you exactly what your weight is made up of. But that's not all. It keeps track of your weight and all your data in its easy-to-use smartphone app. Now I know exactly what my weight means and why the numbers don't fall as much as I think they should. And it's helped me so much. Actually, it gives me more motivation because I now understand what I need to do and what I can affect. So if you're like me and tired of 3 digits on a scale dictating your life and not even understanding what they mean, you need to step into the future and monitor your weight and fitness the right way with FitTrack.